여러분 안녕하세요. 한국어 시간입니다.
Last time, we learned the Korean consonants,
기역, 키읔, 쌍기역,
which are sounds made by blocking the roof of the mouth, near the throat with the back of the tongue. This time, we will study the Korean consonants,
니은, 디귿, 티읕, 쌍디귿.
The sounds of these four letters are all made by touching the same location. Let's get started. Name and sound. The name of this consonant is
니은.
When you say it, the tip of the tongue touches the back of the upper front teeth and gums. Try saying the name while thinking about where the tip of your tongue is touching.
니은, 니은.
The sound of this consonant is
느.
Whether you're saying the name of the consonant or its sound, the tip of your tongue touches the same place. Let's make this sound by sticking the tip of your tongue behind the upper front teeth and gums, and then detaching it.
느, 느.
The name of this consonant is
디귿.
When saying it, the tip of the tongue touches the same place as for
니은,
Try saying the name of this consonant while thinking about where the tip of your tongue touches.
디귿, 디귿.
The sound of this is
드.
To make this sound, stick the tip of your tongue behind your upper front teeth, and then detach it, just as you would when making
느.
Let's try saying it while thinking about where the tip of your tongue is touching, and where it falls away to create the sound.
드, 드.
But, how do we distinguish between
느,
and
드.
which are made in the same place? Stretch out your hand and place it in front of your mouth. Then make
느,
and
드. 느, 드, 느, 드.
Which of those produces stronger breath? That's right.
드.
Sound produces a stronger breath. That's why we drew wind on the consonant
니은,
to create the consonant.
디귿.
Now you can distinguish between
느,
and,
드.
right? The name of this consonant is
티읕,
like
니은,
and
디귿. 티읕,
also makes a sound by sticking the tip of the tongue to the back of the upper front teeth, and then detaching it. Confirm that the tip of your tongue is touching and falling away as you say
티읕,
Let's say
티읕, 티읕.
this consonant makes the sound
드,
like.
느, 드.
This sound is made by sticking the tip of the tongue to the back of the upper front teeth, and then detaching it, but it makes a much stronger wind sound than
드.
That's why we added one more wind to the shape of
디귿,
to create.
티읕.
Try making the sound while releasing the wind strongly from your mouth.
트, 트.
The name of the last consonant is
쌍디귿,
Let's say it.
쌍디귿.
The sound of this consonant is
뜨.
Because there are two
디귿,
It makes a sound twice as strong as
디귿,
let's say
드, 뜨, 드, 뜨.
Now try distinguishing between the four sounds.
뜻, 뜻, 뜻,
Next,
늦, 늦, 늦,
next,
스, 스, 스,
next.
드, 드, 드.
Writing and speaking. When writing,
니은,
you write it all at once, like
기억,
니은 느, 느, 느,
since
디귿,
produces stronger wind than
니은,
we add wind to,
니은,
and we write it in two steps. 1, 2,
디귿,
1, 2.
디귿,
디귿 드, 드, 드,
As
티읕,
produces an even stronger sound. Then,
디귿,
we add wind to,
디귿,
and we write it in three steps. 1, 2, 3.
티읕,
티읕 트, 트, 트.
Lastly, for
쌍디귿,
we write
디귿,
twice. 1, 2, 1, 2.
쌍디귿,
쌍디귿 뜨, 뜨, 뜨.
Combining with vowels. Now, let's combine the consonants
니은, 디귿, 티읕, 쌍디귿,
with vowels.
느, 아, 나, 아, 나, 느, 어, 너, 어, 너, 으, 오, 노, 오, 노, 느, 우, 누, 우, 누, 드, 아, 다, 아, 다, 드, 어, 더, 어, 더, 드, 오, 도, 오, 도, 드, 우, 두, 우, 두, 트, 아, 타, 아, 타, 트, 어, 터, 어, 터, 트, 오, 토, 오, 토, 트, 우, 투, 우, 투, 뜨, 아, 따, 아, 따, 뜨, 어, 떠, 어, 떠, 뜨, 오, 또, 오, 또, 뜨, 우, 뚜, 우, 뚜.
Read words. Now, let's read some words.
누나, 누나. 아니, 아니. 두유, 두유. 기타, 기타. 또, 또.
After lesson. In this lesson, we learned about the consonants.
니은, 디귿, 치읓, 쌍디귿.
If you found the content helpful, please subscribe my channel and press the like button. In the next lesson, we're going to study the consonants.
미음, 기읍, 피읍, 쌍비읍.
Goodbye, everyone.
여러분, 안녕히 계세요.